What's up everybody, welcome back to AZ Trading. Today's the 27th of June and we're back on indices, specifically the Dow Jones, so the US 30. So within this price action we managed to take a long trade. I'll just quickly show my account history here and my trade history, and these are the executions over here. And now I will just explain what we managed to see to take advantage of it. So as always, the pattern we look for is RMR pattern. First we look for a raid, that's just a grabbing of liquidity. Next, a market structure shift, and then a return to participate. So within this price structure, we label where the liquidity rests. So under these lows, we have sell side liquidity. Let's just zoom in a bit over here into the 1 minute chart. So as it dumped through this low, we call that the raid. So if you remember, after the raid, it's the market structure shift. So we're waiting for all this bearish price action to break structure. Wait for a bullish market structure shift. So we scroll through, we go through, oh, right there, we break this high here, we break these highs, we break that high. So this is where the market structure shift occurred. And we're not participating on the shift. We have a lot of people, they see this bullish move, they FOMO, they buy. But then where do you put your stop? You have to tank quite a large area. So after the shift, we wait for the return. So you can return to many different areas, to gaps, to order blocks, to a discount level, etc. In this case, I returned into a gap. So within this gap area, I didn't get in on the very first return. I was waiting for some more information, but we managed to get in on the next gap that was printed over here. So on this return, we participate as a long. Right here, we have our stop, which is always controlled at the bottom of the rated swing, so at the bottom of these lows, and we have objectives above. What objectives do we have? So first of all, the close ones, these relative equal highs. So this is an objective you can make. This gap over here, this is another objective, and you have more swing highs. So which one did I end up using? This one over here, I took a partial at the gap, and my final partial was at this swing. When we reached it, I took off the rest. So I took off 50% at my first partial. At my second partial, I took off the remainder, 40%. So I'm left with 10%. I'm happy to leave 10% of my trade to run. What I mean by that is, with risk to break even, I'm happy to let that trade just go on until whenever. However, with this TradingView software, I accidentally took off my 10%. So just imagine I have a partial 10% just running either to different swing highs or to the end of the day. And I'll just show you some screenshots that were taken live, so my thoughts. So over here we have the entry and the equal highs right there. Next we have the first partial taken. Next we have a retracement that reaches a bullish order block. No gap here, but reaches a discount level as well. So this would be a potential pyramid location. However, I did not see this at the time. I was a bit late, so I'm not going to pyramid over here because it's not as good of a price. And next we have our final partial, or second final partial here, with a plan to leave 10% running and putting our stop to break even. And if we just have a look at the NAS 100, we had a trade here that was just mirroring the Dow. So whenever I placed an execution on the Dow, I placed one on NAS as well. So we had the entry there, we had the partial. We have a pyramid at this position. When we didn't manage to get it on the Dow, we managed to get it on the NAS, and then we took off partials here. And once again, we would leave 10% just to run to the end of the day, or whenever we want to take out our final position. Alright, I think I've said everything I wanted to about this trade. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, or subscribe. I'll get back to every single one of you. And as always, take care. Peace.